night.
Oh, why is there an iron worker right there?
You tricked the system.
There it is.
What do we do, Waffle?
Oh, Tyson.
Yeah, let's do waffles.
Whoa. I'm in a place I've never been before. This is so cool.
Wait,
How
what?
did you get there?
Where are you going?
Where'd you fall through?
I don't know.
Where did you go?
I'm above blast furnace.
Scaffolding.
Oh,
I saw
wow.
you over here and then you fell through.
I shadow stepped to the guy up there because I was like, oh, I'm just gonna shadow step to him and kill him real quick. And now I'm on the scaffolding right above blast furnace. Oh shit!
Survive.
I'm in blast furnace now, but the gate's still down.
Oh.
We're gonna
Or the
have to
gate's
die.
up.
Oh, I get it.
What?
I'm on my
Wait,
stream.
so
If you
you
wanna
I see what he
go to
did.
my stream.
Give up a
I see where he...
Yeah, I got no competition for any gear. I don't
Yeah,
know.
that's why.
Do you need a
Get
summon?
out? Unless you die.
I think
You
I can kill
definitely
him.
need to summon.
I think I've glitched the game. I think I'm just gonna switch to combat and I'll just down black furnace or blast furnace first.
Oh
yeah, go ahead.
man. You broke the game.
I got this. I'm switching to combat right now.
Stabby broke the game.
Can we see,
See
you
what I
from
mean,
the
Sarah?
bridge or something?
Serena's got mine.
What are you?
Yeah, that's crazy looking.
How much of a delay do you got right now?
I don't know. I've been streaming
That's so
for
funny,
it's
sir.
only like a 15-second delay, maybe.
Wait, where is everybody else?
So wait, how'd you fall exactly?
I shadow stepped to that
Shadow
iron
step.
worker up there, and you know the one that's all by himself. And it
The other
dropped
one
me
that stands
down
over here
up
by
to the-
Diamond.
up to the scaffolding up above. All right, here goes.
Come on, let's go kill him. What?
I think Stabby's got it under control.
Static.
Stabby.
Yeah, you... He's got...
He's not done.
Wait, did anyone? Wait.
There you go.
Did anyone check if the blast furnace door was open?
ported me.
No.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, he did.
Oh,
Yeah, me
can't-
too.
You can't even get out.
It's ported. It is open.
Oh god, run away!
Oh, thank you.
I love it.
Get out of the instant!
I'm running. I love it.
They ported me to the...
just got ported down.
I did too.
time. One at a time.
Just get out, get out.
We'll see what happens.
Just stay there.
This is one of those
Oh, really?
glitches like the progression guilds want to find the first day it comes out, you know?
Oh, and the gate's down now.
Yes.
Yeah, the gate's open.
What?
Oh yeah, now. So you
It's
glitched
stabby
it
being
to
stabby.
open the...
Yeah, I don't know.
Man.
So I guess we could just go there right at the beginning. I mean, I just shadow stepped to that guy, and then I teleport all of you guys down, Shaman Ankh, and we just kill blast furnace.